Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome to the scooter ride. Well, it's about to be a scooter ride. I'm going to tell you some things about the scooter first. I love this thing. This is the Hiboy S2 MAX. I've had it for like 4 months now. And I realized today that out of everything that exists on the market still, this is the one that I would still buy. And I think I might, when things are better, I might actually get another one. Just so I always have one charged and ready to go. But I'm going to post some links and codes so that you can get one of your very own and save some money and support this channel so I can spend more time out making videos, getting people excited about riding scooters. So I'm going to go. I'm going to mount you guys right here on the handlebars or the stem as usual. I'll do that right now. Okay. Man, this is just such a good way to get around. Every time I ride this thing, I love it more. And I didn't like the cruise control at first necessarily, but now I kind of wish all of my scooters had it. Oh shit, we shouldn't have gone. I did anyway. Okay. Don't be too confident on these things because it's not fast, so you can't really get out of the way in a hurry if you have to, so, be careful. I mean, seriously, I don't think there's a better way to get around a place like downtown Las Vegas than this right here. I figure we should probably stop off and see something special while we're in the neighborhood. You guys remember this? Yeah, that's a new one. The original one got knocked down.
It ain't called the D for nothing.
Mama, wicked.
That guy pretty much said it right there. Oh man. Every time on the Hiboy S2 MAX is a good time. for being just a little cheap kick scooter, I mean, it's such an awesome experience. Not sure if the camera picked up that guy peeing in the alley. It's a very common sight here in downtown Las Vegas, you might say. This thing sure beats walking. And it is still kind of hot out today, so. Okay. Come on. Shit. Just wait here for a second. Back on the sidewalk. This is the best scooter that I have, I think, for the sidewalk. You might have seen me ride my Cabo Wolf Warrior X scooters on the sidewalk a time or two, but I don't know. I feel more comfortable riding this on the sidewalk, and like people are going to be less upset about this. So, yeah, there are a lot of advantages to having a slower scooter. That guy's got a turbo Vanderhaal. Did you hear his blow-off valve? People just walk right out in the street without even looking around here. I guess that's why we lead the nation in pedestrian fatalities. I didn't just run that crosswalk at all. Red light, whatever. That one because that road is closed, so nobody's coming. Man, it is a dry day. I am parched and I did not bring any beverages. I should pay attention to where I'm going. So I'm going to fall off the curb or something. What? Did they tear up this path over here? No, it's just... What? Oh yeah, it's kind of torn up. I took a picture the other day over here on the Ruckus. Let's get a shot of the S2 MAX in front of the Golden Goose. Oh yeah, how about that? That's a good looking scooter. It really is. People say that a lot. You know, that's a really nice looking scooter for what it is, and they always think it costs more money. Okay, so why is this the scooter that I got and the one that I think that you should get? Well, for me, in the kick scooter, the economy kick scooter segment, it came down to three major factors, and that was power and speed, you know, combined, range, which is a big one, and then price. And this beats the Segway 9-Bot Max in all of those categories. Most people say they're getting more range out of this, and it's a faster, more powerful scooter, just slightly. But those are all the main reasons why I bought this scooter in the first place, and why I would buy this scooter again. So if you're looking for a great all-around scooter that does all things, it's a commuter, you can go out and have some fun on it, you know, you do whatever you need to do on it. I'm out here just enjoying a beautiful day, and it's great. I could have come out on anything, a really fast motorcycle, a gas scooter, a decently fast electric scooter, but I chose this. I love to ride this. It's always a good experience. I was worried at first when I bought a faster electric scooter that this was just going to get neglected, and that's absolutely not been the case. I probably wind up riding this more than the Cabos. That guy was pissed off. So that's it, guys. The Hiboy S2 MAX. That's my weapon of choice much of the time for a lot of reasons. But again, I'm going to post links and codes in the description if you want to save a little money and get one of your own. And yeah, otherwise, I sure do appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you to ride an electric scooter if you're not doing so already. And I sure look forward to seeing you again next time.